Previously on Mason's ADV.
We have just left Walmart, but we're trying to run these trails back towards Timmins. Mellon said this morning that we need to start heading south. It's just too freaking cold up here. Oh shit. Nice, buddy. Great save. Left or right here, Mellon?
Oh, that's a good question. Sorry, I'm into some...
Not straight, Mellon, not straight. That's not a choice. Yes, straight's not a choice. You guys just let me know if I'm going too slow or too fast. No, just ride your ride. We'll keep up. It is a pretty trail.
Yeah.
We're sure faring a lot better than we did 2 days ago. Yes, we are. This is more like it. When you're on a big loop like this, trails you can make some time on are important.
I definitely feel like I'm in a rally.
Yeah?
And Benham's leading.
A rally that we're not winning?
No, it's just the road conditions feel very rally-esque.
Yeah, after that stop, I feel like I've gotten a little more dialed too. Good. Just a little more comfy. Yeah. Watch it down here, guys. Yeah. It's not bad.
That would have been shown on the...
From the helicopter cam?
No, the road book.
Oh, right.
The highlighted sections of the road book.
Roger, guys, a little squirrely up here. Yep.
That was my chance.
I don't want to do a Mellon save. As much as I thought it was impressive to look at, I don't really want to do it. Mellon doesn't like my speed.
Oh no, that was my passing point.
Oh.
You were going plenty fast. Stay over here.
On the left?
Yeah.
Thank you. The Garmin didn't refresh for some reason. Come on, you son of a bitch. There we go.
I bet this road to be on my main Garmin. I should have just left it on. So we have both options.
I've got Gaia up too. We're still on according to it. It's zoomed out a fair bit. It's always nice when I'm like, oh yeah, hanging on for dear life, going quick. It's like, whoa. I'm just back here trying to get my 3 GPSs synced and the Senna uploaded. And, oh shoot, I just transferred some funds.
He's working from a virtual office desk back there.
He's updating his new schedule back there.
Guys, I'm just going to do payroll. Just let me know if there's any dangers coming up. Best road all week.
Yeah, for sure. We deserved it, guys. Had to come far enough to find it, didn't we?
Yeah. I shouldn't actually assume that this is the way it goes.
That is the way it goes.
Okay.
Of course, as usual, I'll tell you for sure in about 100 feet. But does anybody really care? We're on an awesome trail. We got tents. Well, we do have to make that next fuel stop, so. Oh, well, we can be smiling, well, right? We don't, no. What do we got?
Just take that ditch, that divot, just be cautious going through it. It's doable, just be cautious.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay.
I thought I threw a couple of rocks. All right, good?
Yep,
through?
good, through.
Water up here. It's flowing water, so just... And, oh boy.
Good. Through?
Clear.
That was good.
Ah, awesome. No dramas.
Stay right, guys. Woo!
What's wrong with that?
Yeah.
Stay left, stay left. Slow down. Whoa. Through.
Working on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hit that a little
hot?
A little bit of speed, yep.
I got to pick a 701 out of my teeth, but other than that, we made it.
Oh, sorry. Are you riding right up on me?
Oh, yeah. It's funner.
Do you need a Swedish toothpick?
You can go through.
No. I need a Swedish toothpick, yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't see you. We were right because I was standing. I couldn't see.
I've been there. I've been here all day, man.
I'm not surprised.
Haven't left.
All day. I'm right on your wing. Makes it way more entertaining and exciting for me.
Does it?
Oh, yeah. I never know what you're going to do. Keeps me on my toes. I love it. That's an area that's had a little bit of work recently. Holy ruts. Oh my God. There.
It's like Habib and Mike going to Cape Croker with red bandanas tied around their faces, pulling up in Habib's black Chevy van. Looked like banditos.
What were the bandanas for?
The dust.
Oh.
Because Habib's van didn't have AC, so they had the windows open.
All right, Melon, lead us on. We're here. We're at the turn. Just turn right. Okay. Just a sec. Yeah, Halfway Haven. Yeah. Well, hopefully this is a fuel stop for us. Let's see what happens. It's absolutely crazy to me that there's an establishment out here. That's at the end of this road, and then we turn around and come back out it. Like, it's not like this is going to a town or anything. Awesome. How cool is that? You fueling Benham? We should. Yeah, okay. We'll sneak past you then. So you guys have to haul the fuel in yourselves and drum?
Yeah. It's 40 miles from 101.
Okay, yeah.
So they bring a truck in the winter time, but this time of year we just haul it. But in the winter time we got to keep 40 miles open, 40 miles plowed all winter.
That's a fairly serious undertaking.
Yes.
So it's like snowmobiles in the winter? Okay.
You've seen up to 5,000.
Oh, have you really? Oh my God. You heard to keep the fuel in stock.
Yeah. One winter I was full of a truckload a week.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, 25,000 a week. Great weeks. Come on in.
Thanks, fellas. All right, so Halfway Haven. They got us some fuel. They're actually closed. They're just cleaning up and renovating. But they're open next week. Fuel on tap, restaurant inside, and the guys are good enough to let me put up a sticker. So we're gonna tag the builder right here under Adrenaline Junkies. Awesome. Come find the sticker. Spend some money here. Good spot. Excellent spot. Well, guys, that was Halfway Haven, and I'm going to put the GPS coordinates in the description, because that's a must stop if you're ever between Wawa and Chapleau. But great people. Anyway, wish them all the best. Good luck, guys. It's a great idea. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.